I have a special guest today.
What a hunk!
So we probably shouldn't have waited the full 2 years. Maybe a year and a half would have been better. But it was okay. It was pretty corroded, but yeah, maybe we should have done it a little sooner. We checked it at a year and it was still good. There was still stuff on it, and if there's still stuff on it, then it's still gonna do its job. The purpose of the anode rod is to act as a sacrifice inside the water heater. It takes on itself all the stuff that causes corrosion inside the water heater. So instead of the walls of the tank corroding and rusting, the anode corrodes and rusts. It's like the Jesus of water heaters. We don't like to waste money, and it's kind of like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Let me clarify this just a little bit because I don't want you to not replace the anode if it needs to be replaced. That can be a costly mistake, and a $20 replacement part is a lot better than having to replace the entire water heater for $500 or more. Now that said, if the anode is still usable, and I'll show you exactly what I mean here in just a second, then you might as well keep using it. The anode rod on the right is no good and needs to be replaced. There is still some stuff on it that could potentially keep corroding, but not enough. The same with ours, it was definitely time for a new one. Now this one you could get some more use out of, maybe 4 to 6 months at the most. When we checked ours after 1 year of use, it looked a little better than this, and water quality will definitely play a role in how fast the anode corrodes, so keep that in mind.
Don't hesitate to do this on your own. You don't need to go and hire someone to do this. It's real easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Some of the tools that you're going to need to do this is a socket, one of these flush wands you can pick up at any of your RV supply stores, Amazon. I think we've even seen them at Walmart. You're going to need some plumber's tape and a wire brush and a new anode. And when you purchase the new anode, you do not want to get a cheap one. They don't seem to last as long. You want to make sure you get one that's a quality anode from a quality retailer.
We went with the Camco brand, and they sell that on Amazon and of course Camping World, and I will leave a link in the description. Step 2, you're going to turn off your water heater and then turn off your water.
Step 3, you're going to want to release the pressure from the water heater with the pressure relief valve.
Step 4, remove the anode and let the water drain out. What size is that socket?
27 millimeter. Size I didn't have.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's pretty bad. Let me get a good look at that.
The next step, you're going to want to clean the threads on the water heater with a wire brush to make sure there's no leftover tape in there from the old anode.
Step 6, you're going to flush the tank with the flush wand until the water runs clear, about 5 minutes or so. This might be gross. You might want to watch your feet.
Too bad.
I think you have like just running it on the bottom. Oh, it's a little dirty, but not bad at all. Oh, well. Ooh. Ooh.
The next step, you're going to apply plumber's tape to the new anode threads.
Step 8, you're going to put the new anode in, and just be careful to thread it properly. When you put it in, there's going to be some weight on that other end that goes inside the tank, and it could make it a little more difficult to get the threads in properly. You don't want them crossed because you'll have leaks and it'll be a whole situation.
Pressure relief valve to remove any air.
Sorry. Take 15.
All right, take 15. The next step, you're going to want to turn the water back on to fill the hot water tank. And you're going to want to open the pressure release valve to release any air inside the hot water tank.
Closed it, right?
Because we close it all up and then we're filling it up with water.
Do you have to leave that open while it fills up with water?
Yeah, just let the air out.
Okay, step 9, turn your water heater back on and you should be good to go.
All right.
Oh. Ooh,
Hear
yikes.
Sorry. I'm clearing my throat real fast. It takes
Okay,
care
can
of
I
it.
just stop
I'm
you?
just- okay, no,
You're joking.
Hold your expressions. Your
3 dots.
Oh, shit.
What?
You
Hold
like,
them?
You like made like faces.
Yes, 3 did.
Oh,
I need my seltzer. Casey, it's over there.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
All right,
We
here we
recording?
go. Let me
Yeah,
get
we're
over
live.
this. But
No.
don't do
Oh
anything.
my
until
gosh, I
I-
had a booger this whole time.
Oh no, you did not. It is recording,
Get a lot
isn't
of
it?
views.
I'll look and see what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.